It's Giving Tuesday! This Giving Tuesday, InSciStemify is spreading the gift of STEM education to ignite curiosity and innovation in young minds. Introducing our extraordinary giveaway with one of 6 exclusive STEM kits meticulously crafted for students aged 11 to 14. These aren't just kits, they're getaways to discovery designed to spark hands-on learning, critical thinking, and real-world problem solving. Entering is a breeze. Simply scan the QR code or click the registration link to submit your form. Your child's journey into STEM innovation starts with just one click. Time is of essence. You must register by December 14th to seize this incredible opportunity. Don't let this chance slip away. And there's one more. Subscribe today. Become part of the InSciStemify community. Stay connected to the future offers, educational resources, and groundbreaking opportunities. InSciStemify is nurturing tomorrow's innovators, one experiment at a time. Enter today and let the incredible journey of discovery begin. Later. Bye.